Here I have XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to lock apps with fingerprint on this device. So, to enable this feature, you will firstly have to add fingerprint on your device. If you have no idea how you can add fingerprint, you go find this video on our channel, check it out, follow the instructions, add fingerprint, then come back here. So, if you're already with added fingerprint, then follow my instructions right now. So firstly you enter settings, then you go to the passwords and security, go to your fingerprint, enter your PIN, and enable app lock feature here. Okay, so now we can use fingerprint for app lock. Then what you have to do is to go to the apps section. I mean privacy protection. Wait, not this one. Apps, app lock, turn on. So basically app lock is just something kind of screen lock, but for apps. So you can like use just normal pattern. You can change password to PIN or password. So I'm gonna use the same PIN as I have on my lock screen. Okay, so now app lock enabled. Now we can add apps to it and lock them. Okay, could be these ones. Let's lock gallery, browser, contacts, messaging. Okay, so now we have these apps locked already. And now when I try to open gallery, as you can see, it requires my password or fingerprint in order to enter it. Enter password before unlocking with fingerprint. Okay, so when you unlock it for the first time, you have to enter password anyway. And as you can see right now, after I unlocked gallery once, it will be unlocked all the time until I lock the screen. So as you can see right now, I can enter gallery without no problem. I just enter it on the ordinary. But if I lock the screen, unlock it, wow, gallery is locked again too. So yeah, and the same goes for contacts and other apps which you have locked. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.